Hello, I'm on a 2008 Pontiac G6 and today I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So there's a few ways you can get it to pop, but from the driver's door here there should be a button you can push. Also from your key, make sure everything's unlocked, and then there's a button right here you can push as well. Pop it just like we did with this door button. So at this point we'll go back. If somehow those didn't work, maybe your vehicle is out of power, you might need the key to just stick in here and turn to pop it. And there's no actual like handle or anything to release it, you just have to lift. That's it. That's the part that was keeping it locked, and it hooked into here. So if you're having issues once you do find a way to get it open, you could also go in from the inside if you absolutely had to, from back here, and pull this safety release from inside the trunk. And otherwise check for debris, gunk, maybe a little WD-40 to loosen this up. Same thing with here, make sure there's nothing stuck in there, make sure it's not out of alignment. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.